Bring the camera from middle. This guy was literally pulling there. That's not the color I choose. I choose pink now. What's going on? I just know this stuff better. What is this? I might wear this today. Oh, this. Okay, guys. I have to show you guys this thing better. Let me set up my phone because I'm recording from a default. Okay, guys, this is how we look now. I will let her show you the outfit better. I didn't make up, no makeup because I didn't have time. I was like, I don't want to stress myself and I want to eat. I will let her put on lip gloss after frying it. That reminds me I have to put stuff here. But yeah, yeah, basically, welcome to my channel. I didn't tell you guys, you know. But well, this is the day with me going to IKEA with my cousin. If you guys see my cousin right now, she's, yeah, but she's so, she's bold. The makeup is actually so good. She looks gorgeous in it, but she's bold for what she's gonna do. I promise you, because I could never. Whatever. Oh, the sun is going. Yeah. Follow me.
The UK, right?
Lord.
I will get it.
So your outfit.
Hi guys, this is my outfit of today. The jacket is because when I come back later, it might be cold right then. It's not with the outfit. Got this shirt, I don't know, from Diana. And this trousers are from Bershka. This head tie is from Penny's.
That drops.
Things. This thing are from Shein. We got the little socks. come, bring the camera. From Lidl. And the shoes.
Now it's your turn. Give telephone.
Lord.
Where did you get your outfit? Where did you get your outfit?
Glasses from Shein. Jewelry is from Shein. This thing is from Penny's, but my cousin bought it from Vinted. I needed it quick. Shein, Boohman, Penny's. I don't know. It was a gift. Yeah. Okay, IKEA is actually so cute. Like, no, but I don't know. Like, why you tell me that this looks like a home? Okay.
It's $3.75. Just over here.
Don't cry. Try. Cuatro? Ah, I didn't say no.
Yo las hago mejores, pero no está mal.
¿Quieres probar? Okay. No, I've never tasted tiramisu.
Don't eat too much, ¿eh? Yes,
No.
coffee.
Hey, so ya que que
No, pero untan el pan en el café. Oh. Okay.
Okay, so like café. Maybe if it's another thing that they dip the stuff with, I would like it.
Oh, el de matcha.
Maybe. No, it's no like tiramisu. Oh. I'm looking scared. I got chicken with a strange sauce. I don't know the name of the sauce. And rice. A donut, which I'm not gonna like. And the apple, which I'm not gonna like. So let's see. Guys, no sauce. Is yours? Rice and something on top, to be honest, like it's not that good. Wait. Oh yeah, it's actually so cute. Oh. I know, something aesthetic. I actually do not like this house. Oh, no. I need more lights. This house is not for me. When my future child have a room like this, like, she'll be very creative. What? Just in between with the kids, to be honest. Oh, I actually like this room. I actually like this room for my daughter. We love this place, but it's not our style. But it looks so, I don't know, I just like it. It's giving gothic, but at the same place. No, it's giving a blue house. Yes, it's giving witches from series. Romantic. I don't see the romantic. I don't know. I don't like IKEA. There's no lights. I hate places with no lights. You're getting ideas. Oh, what's this? Oh, look. Let's go walking. Let's go walking. Oh, I just took some pictures over there, and they look so cutesy. I'm not gonna post anything though. A ver la pala de nuevo. La pala. La pala. ¿Qué ponemos? Mira, a ver, esto es de jardinería.
Creo que sí.
Sí, esto es de comida. Bueno, oh, this is supposed to be English, whatever. This guy was literally pulling there. No comments. I'll let her share the pictures. What I want to buy today? I'm gonna buy 3 boxes. Yeah, 3 boxes. For my clothes basically, because if you see the room, you'll be scared. This place look lovely. As a person who loves nature, this place look. Ah! But it's all plastic, so yeah. Well guys, this is all. I bought what I have to buy. I look a little bit everything about IKEA, the pictures. So yeah, we thank the Lord for this day. I'm later going to buy some stuff because I'm hungry again. But well, it was fun. I enjoyed. She enjoyed. Yeah. Bye bye. See you in the next video.